What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda CX-30 smart key remote fob. This Mazda CX-30 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using towards the end of this video is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob, the first thing we're going to do is remove this back cover. So if you notice, one side has a logo, one side doesn't. This is the side we're going to remove first. How we're going to get that off is I'm going to press this release down here on the key ring. Press and hold that down, and then I'm going to slide this back piece up just a little bit. You can see it moves up just a little bit, and then it will come off. Now we're going to, opposite of the key ring on the top, we're going to remove this silver piece. A lot of times you can just get your fingers on here like this and pull it off. If not, you can use the flathead screwdriver just to help pry that piece off. But like I said, most of the time you can get it off with your fingers. Once we get that piece off, I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to pry up on this back piece. And that will come off of there like that. And now we can see this little round piece right here. Pry up on that. And then once we get that off, we can see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it and get out of that holder. Grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. And if you can kind of see this little round grommet, if that's moved at all, just kind of get that back in place. And then snap this round piece back on. And then we'll put this piece back on. And what you can line up here, if you see there's this piece that sticks out, this tab, that will go in this hole right here. So you can kind of line that up. And then snap that back on there. Put this top piece back on, and you can see those two tabs where you line those up. In there like that. And then the last thing we'll do is slide this back cover on. So it just kind of snaps on there, and then it'll slide down just a little bit and click into place. Like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.